Hey guys, big news. Apple Intelligence is now an opt-out feature, but what does this mean for you? Let's find out. So big news from Apple. With the introduction of iOS 18.3, Apple Intelligence is now an opt-out feature, which means it's now turned on automatically as soon as you update to iOS 18.3, iPadOS 18.3, or macOS 18.3. So Apple Intelligence is Apple's built-in AI, which is designed to give you an AI experience on your iPhone. For example, image generation, things like advanced Siri responses, and things of that nature. If it's turned on automatically, it means that Apple could be analyzing your interactions on your phone without you even knowing it. Now, obviously, Apple prioritizes privacy above everything, but with this new addition of opting out of the feature instead of actually choosing if you want to have Apple Intelligence features on your phone, it means that anything can be happening in the background with regards to collecting of information and analyzing your data. So say you now want to turn off Apple Intelligence on your phone, just go to settings, scroll down to Apple Intelligence and Siri, then toggle off the Apple Intelligence option. Once you confirm, it means Apple Intelligence features will not be available on your phone any longer. So you just have to toggle it on again if you now want to use Apple Intelligence on your phone. So Apple Intelligence does give you a bit of an edge on your iPhone by giving you advanced Siri responses, AI features like image generation and things of that nature. But having it on automatically means that it could be using your data in the background. It could be using your storage in the background as well. And there are also privacy concerns. So there you have it. Apple Intelligence is now opt-out, which means you have to choose whether you want to turn it on or off. And it's up to you to decide whether the cons outweigh the pros or the pros outweigh the cons, and you just turn it on and use all the AI features that it provides.